Crinum spider lily plant. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a beautiful and unique plant, the Crinum plant, also known as the spider lily. If you love unique flowers and plants, be sure to watch till the end. Introduction to Crinum. The Crinum plant, also known as the spider lily, belongs to the Amaryllidaceae family. This plant is native to tropical and subtropical regions and is known for its beautiful white and pink flowers, as well as its long, narrow leaves. Appearance. Crinum leaves are long and narrow, and they can grow up to 1 meter. The flowers of this plant are spider-shaped and come in white, pink, or even red. Each stem can bear multiple flowers. Bulb Crinum grows from a bulb, and these bulbs can get quite large. Growing conditions. Light Crinum needs a lot of light. It's best to place this plant in a spot with direct sunlight. Water. This plant needs regular watering, but you must avoid waterlogging. The soil should be well drained. Soil. Crinum requires rich soil with good drainage. You can use a mix of garden soil with some sand. Temperature. This plant loves warm temperatures and cannot withstand severe cold. The ideal temperature range is between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Fertilizing. With the arrival of spring, which is the blooming season for these plants, it is the best time to strengthen them. During this period, it is recommended to use complete fertilizers, such as 20-20-20-20, once or twice a month to nourish and maintain your spider lilies. It is important to note that after the flowering season ends, you should switch to using potassium fertilizer alone. However, in the fall and winter, which are the dormancy periods for spider lilies, you should avoid using complete chemical fertilizers and 20-20-20-20 fertilizers. Instead, provide them with phosphorus only to prepare them for the new blooming season. Propagation. Each plant has its own specific propagation methods. To care for and propagate spider lily, you need to follow the principles specific to this plant. Generally, 3 methods are used for its propagation. Propagation of spider lily by bulb division. When using this method for the care and cultivation of spider lily, you should know that it can be done every 3 to 5 years. The best time for bulb division is in the fall. Remember not to keep the bulbs out of the soil for too long. Immediately after separating the necessary parts with a sharp knife, replant them in the soil. Keep in mind that it takes 1 to 2 years for the new bulb sections to grow. Propagation of spider lily by offsets. Another method for the care and propagation of spider lilies is by planting offsets. Spider lily offsets usually grow in the fall, and this is also the best time to separate them. After separating the offsets, you should place them in water and allow them to develop roots. Planting spider lily seeds. Another method, which is more time-consuming than the others, is planting the seeds found at the ends of spider lily sprouts. You can separate these seeds from the plant and sow them in suitable soil. However, keep in mind that it takes about 3 years for these sprouts to flower. Pruning. After flowering, cut off the dried stems to allow the plant to use its energy for further growth. Pests. Crinum is generally resistant to pests, but it can occasionally get infested with aphids and spider mites. Use appropriate pesticides if necessary. uses. Besides its beauty, Crinum can be used as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscapes. Its flowers are also used as cut flowers and bouquets. The Crinum plant or spider lily, with its beautiful flowers and attractive leaves, can bring life and beauty to any garden or space. By following the care tips we've discussed, you can enjoy the growth and blooming of this lovely plant. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your comments and questions with us in the comment section below. Until our next video, goodbye. That was our tutorial about the Crinum plant or spider lily. I hope you found this information helpful and that you can now take care of this beautiful plant in your home or garden. Until our next video, goodbye.